It's Jada. Where are we going, Jada? Have you ever been to Bar Mitzvah?
No.
What do you expect?
Food.
That's all?
And people dancing around saying,
Oprah! Oh, the camera. Hello, people. You know who it is? Going to Bar Mitzvah. Where we're going to film steaks on the floor. We're going to go Oprah. And we're going to carry people. We're going to carry people on chairs. We're going to have fun. You know, Jada. Let's see what Jada has on. That's a cute dress, isn't it? Show your shoes, show your shoes. Ooh. Let's see these. Jada? Where are we? Aren't we in Fort Lauderdale?
I have no idea.
I don't know, but I see palm trees. Let's zoom in out the window.
We're 40 minutes early.
We're early?
Going to school.
Let's see where we're going. What kind of phone did Maya get? You look at that car. What is that?
That's a phone.
Isn't that a touchscreen phone?
Oh.
She kept texting me. I don't know what she said, but she said something dumb. She said, I can see something that you're looking behind your back.